Lesson 19. Composition. Writing letters. Letter writing is a good skill. We write letters to exchange feeling and thoughts with our kith and kins who are away from us. We also write some certain kind of letters to the officials of different sectors. We have already learnt that there are two types of letters: informal letter and formal letter. Format of informal letters. 243, Breezy Meadows B Block, Ashok Nagar, Delhi. 10th January, 20XX. Writer's address and date. Dear Dad. Salutation. Body of the letter. Yours affectionately. Subscription. Name. Signature. A sample of informal letter. Your elder brother has been transferred to Mumbai. Write a letter to your brother describing how much you all are missing him. 243, Vati Niwas B Block, New Ashok Nagar, Delhi. 18th January, 20XX. Dear brother, I have received your letter just now. We are very happy to know that you are comfortable in Mumbai. We all are missing you so much, still we are wishing you a better and safe life. You are absent, so there is no one I could share my day-to-day experience with. Mom and Dad also keep talking about you. We all recall days when you were here, how much you cared for everyone in the family. Well, I have decided to share my experiences through letter. And there is nothing to worry about my studies. I am regular both in my school and tuition classes. Please keep writing and do inform us about your well-being from time to time. Yours affectionately, Ratun. Format of formal letters. 419, Ito. Delhi. 20th December, 20XX. Writer's address and date. The Marketing Executive. Audi Motors. Podder Point. Kolkata, 13. Name and address of the organization. Dear Madam Sir. Salutation. Title of subject. Subject. Body of the letter. Yours sincerely. Subscription. Name. Signature. A sample of formal letter. Write a letter to the branch manager of Union Bank of India for issuing a new checkbook as you have used all the 25 checks of the previous checkbook. A. 137, People's Cooperative Colony. New Ashok Nagar, Delhi 110096. 21st January, 20XX. The branch manager. Union Bank of India. SSC Noida, Delhi NCR. Dear Madam Sir. Issue of checkbook. I have a saving account with your bank. My ACNO is DPI 00XXXXX. I have used all the 25 checks of the checkbook that was issued to me at the time of opening the account with your bank. I, therefore, request you to kindly issue me a new checkbook. Yours sincerely, Akash Chopra. Account number DPI 00XXXXX. Writing messages. Short messages are written to give urgent news or information to a person who is away. This is usually written based on the conversation between two or more people. This conversation may or may not be a telephonic conversation. Some features of short messages are: 1. The name of the recipient of the message should be mentioned clearly. 2. As few words as possible are used. 3. Only relevant information is given. 4. The message is written in reported indirect speech. 5. Clear mention of salutation and signatory is essential. Right. Avoid. Salutation, Dear Rana or Rana, correct. My dear friend Rana, incorrect. Or my loving friends Rana, incorrect. Signatory Manisha, correct. Your loving friend Simran, incorrect. Format of message. Message. Date. Time. Salutation. Content. Signatory. Sample message. Given below is a telephonic conversation between Simran and Raj. Simran is about to leave home and won't be able to meet her father. She leaves a message for her father. Write a short message in about 50 words. Raj, hello. Can I speak to Mr. Kaur? Simran, he is not at home. Is it Raj speaking? Raj, oh, yes. Simran, how are you doing? I've a message for your father. Simran, thanks, I am fine. But Dad has gone to the gym and will be back after an hour. Anything urgent? Raj, well, not exactly. The message is from my father. He will meet uncle tomorrow, but he won't be able to make it. Simran, what's the matter? Raj, yes, everything is fine. Actually, some friends of my father will be arriving from Mumbai tomorrow. Dad will be busy attending to them. Simran, I'll inform Dad, bye. Raj, bye. Take care. Message. 3rd January, 20XX. 9:30 am Dad. Raj telephoned that his father was to visit you tomorrow, won't be able to keep that. His father's friends from Mumbai visiting them. Simran. Writing, emails. Nowadays an email is the most popular mode of electronic communication. It allows us to exchange text messages and attach files of various formats to our messages as well. Features of an email are address, book. It provides a place to store email addresses and it can often be complex and difficult to call up. Attachments. It allows the user to specify the location electronic files such as text documents, spreadsheets, or graphic presentations and then send a copy by email. Deleting a message. It also allows quick deletion of messages. Forwarding a message. The reader of a message can also be forwarded to a third party. The person sending an email has no control over what the receiver will do with the message. The receiver can easily forward the message to an individual or a list of individuals. Replying to a message, readers should respond to an email message by using the reply or reply all features. It also provides a quick way to answer the message without typing in the email address of the person who has sent it. Sample email. While communicating through email, the following points should be kept in mind. 1. Ensure grammatical accuracy and correct spelling by turning on the spell check mechanism of the computer. Don't make your email very lengthy and complicated. 2. The supporting text comprising detailed analysis, figures, tables, graphs, pictures, etc. may be sent as an attachment to the email. Don't use abbreviations and acronyms. 3. Provide a clear and concise subject line for the receiver's convenience. As the email format allows sending and mentioning CC carbon copy or BCC blind carbon copy, it should be used when required. 4. Avoid all capitals in writing. An email should be quickly responded to, preferably within 24 hours of its receipt. Electronic communication, email, SMS, and WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger is a freeware, cross-platform and end-to-end encrypted instant messaging application for smartphones. It uses the internet to make voice calls, video calls, send text messages, documents, PDF files, images, GIF, videos, user location, audio files, phone contacts and voice notes to other users using standard cellular mobile numbers. Nowadays, you can send and receive money through WhatsApp. Writing, essays. An essay is a longer piece of composition than a paragraph. It describes a scene, narrates an experience, or expresses views on some issue of common interest. Features of a good essay. An essay is a well-structured article. It is divided into short paragraphs. The opening paragraph introduces the theme of the essay. The next paragraphs provide details. The last paragraph makes the conclusion. Fluency of thought and expression is must. Unity and coherence is essential. Last but not the least, correct spelling, correct punctuation marks and grammatical accuracy are to be maintained strictly. My visit to a zoo. I experienced boundless joy when the principal announced that the school children would be going to the Alipore Zoo in the coming Sunday. I was very excited and waited eagerly for the great day. On Saturday, we all assembled in our school campus and left for the zoo at 8 a.m. We reached the zoo and our teacher purchased the entry tickets. Then we all descended the big steps leading to the park. We sat in the zoo train already booked by our teacher. This train took us round the zoo. First, it halted near the birds' enclosure. We saw many varieties of beautiful birds: African peacocks, parrots, pigeons, nightingales, skylarks, hawks, robins and eagles. Wooden plates fixed on the cages introduced the birds to the visitors. Then we saw aquatic birds and animals. I was frightened to see the huge hippopotamus but enjoyed watching the crocodile feeding her young ones. The seals, ducks, cranes, kingfishers were a beautiful sight. The swans looked beautiful and swam gracefully in the pool. Next, we visited the tigers, panthers and leopards. We enjoyed the sight of the white lions. We also saw some other wild animals like the hyenas, wolves, bear and wild boars. There was a red bear from Japan. Some of these wild animals we had never seen before. The rhino with its horns on the nose looked ugly and dreadful. We were now tired. We sat under a tree and enjoyed our lunch. At last the train took us to the exit gate of the zoo. We enjoyed this visit zoo to our heart's content. Being much tired, during our return journey we fell asleep in the bus. Diary writing. Diary writing is a very good habit. And we often write it for many different purposes. It not only helps us polish our writing skills but also develops a logical thinking process. Writing a diary sharpens many skills and inculcates values. Diary writing is a very personal task. Diary is our private property, and no one has the right to read it. In this manner, we will be inculcating in ourselves a respect for privacy of one's own as well as others. The events stated in a diary are real and true. So, this practice encourages honesty. Writing a diary every night before bedtime is a discipline in itself. It develops a sense of management in punctuality and organization in other matters as well. Expressing one's feelings in written words makes one feel better. It teaches the importance of communication. Features of writing a diary. 1. Diary is usually written in the first person I, we, us, etc. 2. Diary entries involve events that the writer or his near and dear ones are involved in. 3. True feelings of the writer are expressed in a diary entry without any fear. 4. To follow the chronology of events is important. Sample of a diary. Suppose you have recently shifted to New Delhi with your family. It was your first day at a new school. Write a diary entry describing your day in about 100 words. Saturday, 13th February, 20XX. Today, I was in my new school. Initially, I was nervous because everything was new to me. I introduced myself to my classmates and got some friendly smiles and assurance of help in need in return. The classroom looked neat and tidy. There were posters on topics of social interest on one of the walls. I sat with a boy called Manish. He was friendly and introduced me to his friends during recess. We shared our lunch and exchanged experiences. Our class teacher, Mrs. Singh, seems to be popular among the students. They all made me feel so welcome. I am happy. Poster making. Advice from a tree. A poster is a way of announcement an event or a product, to raise awareness about a specific topic and to extend invitations. It usually consists of both text and colorful visual to make the topic both interesting and attractive. Always remember the text in a poster must be clear and precise, and it must be designed in such a way that it catches the attention of the viewers immediately. Here is an example of a poster.